Hello, my name is Emma. Today I need to buy some food. I have my shopping list. Let's go inside the supermarket. Do you like shopping? I like shopping. I need milk and bread. Where is the milk? Excuse me, where is the milk, please?
The milk? The milk is in aisle 3.
Aisle 3. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Here is the milk. Great. Now I need bread. The bread is here too. Perfect. Oh, I want some apples. These apples look delicious. How much are these apples? Excuse me, how much are these apples?
These apples are $2 per kilo.
$2 per kilo. That's a good price. I will take some apples.
Good choice. These apples are very fresh.
Thank you. Let me see. I also need eggs. Where are the eggs? I can't find the eggs. I need help. Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. How can I help you?
I can't find the eggs. Where are the eggs?
The eggs are in aisle 5, next to the butter.
Aisle 5, next to the butter. Thank you so much.
No problem. Happy to help.
Here are the eggs. Wonderful. Hello. Did you find everything okay? Yes, I did. Thank you. Do you need a bag? Yes, please. One bag, please. No problem. Your total is $12.50. $12.50. Here you go. Thank you. Here is your change. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a nice day. You too. That was easy. Today I bought milk, bread, apples, and eggs. I asked, "Where is the milk?" I asked, "How much are these apples?" I asked, "Can you help me?" And I said, "Please and thank you." Now it's your turn. Go to the supermarket and practice. Goodbye. See you next time.